guys, welcome to my YouTube. This is Tina. Today I'm going to do a review for this YEEZY Boost 350 ZYON sneakers. So the sneakers now I have took them out of the box. Now let's check the details together. The special thing for these shoes is the stitchings on the toe cap piece here. For other YEEZY 50, for this part, it's stitched with the Z stitching, crossed stitching on it. But for this one, this is the special designs here. So you can have a close review here. Okay. And for this new colorways, it only released in Europe area. So the labels is like this. So this is the US shoes labels. And now let's check the medial side of these shoes here. Yeah, the patterns here is like this. The stripes on the lateral side here, yeah. See. And this back counter, yeah, this back counter, the stitching is the same as the on the toe cap piece, so you can see. The words on the sock linings, it is Adidas and YEEZY words printed on it, right? Okay. Yeah, here got 3 straps on the back counter linings here. Okay. And now let's check the bottom. Yeah, this is the milky colorways on the midsoles here, right? And the outsole templates, it's a little bit yellowish on the outsole template, right? And I'll check the back counter part here. Yeah, the shape on the back counter here, like this. And this is the real boost material, so you can see, yeah, real basswool boost here. It's really soft, and you can check the patterns here. Okay, now let's check another piece here. So the lateral side, the patterns here. And this is the toe cap piece, the stitching, the collar. Yeah, the collar here. And back counter, the shape of it here is like this. It's not too square and not too round here. And this is the medial side. Yeah, the medial side is not in full patterns here like this. It designs with another patterns in the middle part here. So you can check here. And check the also templates. Okay, so these are the total review for this YEEZY Boost 350 ZYON sneakers. If you want to get more details about it, just contact with us. Okay, see you next video. Bye.